Welcome, savvy investors. Today, we dive into the world of dividend ETFs and the top three you should consider for explosive growth. But what are dividend ETFs, you ask? They are exchange-traded funds that primarily invest in companies which pay out dividends. The beauty of these ETFs lies in their dual benefit. Not only do you receive regular income through dividends, but you also have the potential for capital appreciation. That's right, your investment can grow over time. And let's not forget the magic of compounding. As you reinvest those dividends, your potential for growth multiplies. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining speed and size with every turn. This is why dividend ETFs are such an attractive investment option. So, are you excited to tap into this potential for explosive growth? Ready to discover these top-performing ETFs? Buckle up. First, let's understand the power of dividend ETFs. Dividend exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short, are a kind of investment fund and exchange-traded product available on every major exchange. But what sets them apart? Well, dividend ETFs specifically target companies that pay dividends, which are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. Investing in dividend ETFs comes with a double-barreled advantage. On one side, you have the potential for regular income from the dividends. Imagine a stream of income flowing into your account quarter after quarter, year after year. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. On the other side, there's the opportunity for capital appreciation. As the companies in the ETF grow and succeed, the price of the ETF can rise. It's like a plant that grows from a seed, gradually increasing in size over time. And just like a gardener who nurtures his plants as an investor, you get to see your investment grow and flourish over time. But there's more to it. Dividend ETFs also provide diversification, as they spread your investment across a variety of companies. In essence, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading the risk across multiple baskets, multiple companies that pay dividends. This way, even if one company stumbles, the others can help balance out the impact on your investment. Moreover, dividend ETFs are managed by professionals who do the heavy lifting for you. They analyze the market, select the companies, and adjust the portfolio as needed, leaving you more time to enjoy life and less time worrying about your investments. It's important to note that while dividend ETFs offer potential benefits, like any investment, they also come with certain risks. Market volatility, changes in company dividend policies, and other factors can impact the value of your investment. But with a well-thought-out investment strategy and a long-term view, the power of dividend ETFs can be harnessed for your financial growth. Now that you understand the benefits, let's delve into the top 3 dividend ETFs. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Starting with our first pick, let's dive into the world of a high-performing dividend ETF that has been making waves in the investment world. This ETF is none other than the renowned Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, commonly known by its ticker, VOM. VOM is a compelling choice for investors seeking to tap into the potential of high dividend yielding companies. It's known for its robust performance and for offering a reliable source of income, thanks to its focus on companies that have a track record of paying high dividends. Now let's talk numbers. Over the past 5 years, VOM has consistently outperformed the broader market, demonstrating its resilience and profitability. The ETF has a dividend yield of around 3%, which is quite impressive when compared to the average dividend yield of around 2% for the S&P 500. This means that with VOM you're earning about 50% more in dividends than you would with an average S&P 500 fund. Additionally, VOM boasts an expense ratio of just 0.06%. Now, in case you're new to this, the expense ratio is essentially the cost of managing the fund. The lower the expense ratio, the better it is for you as an investor because less of your money is going towards paying fund management fees. So a 0.06% expense ratio is incredibly low, making VOM a cost-effective choice for investors. But what makes VOM a good choice isn't just its performance or its attractive dividend yield. It's also about the quality of its holdings. VOM focuses on established companies that have a history of paying out high dividends. These companies are typically in more stable industries, meaning they're likely to weather economic downturns and continue paying dividends. This translates to more reliable returns for you even during times of market volatility. Moreover, VUM offers broad exposure to a variety of sectors, including technology, healthcare, and consumer goods, among others. This diversification can help reduce risk and enhance returns over the long term. To sum it up, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is a well-rounded investment option that combines a high dividend yield with a low expense ratio. It's an ETF that not only provides a steady source of income, but also gives you exposure to a wide range of sectors and industries. Its focus on high-yielding, stable companies means it's equipped to deliver reliable returns, making it an excellent addition to any investment portfolio. A promising choice indeed, but wait till you hear about the next one. Moving on to our second contender, let's delve into the exciting world of our second dividend ETF. This one's a real gem and has been consistently outperforming in the market. It's none other than the illustrious XYZ Dividend ETF. Why do we think it's a star player? Well, for starters, the XYZ Dividend ETF has been showing a strong performance for the past 5 years. It's been steadily climbing the ladder, demonstrating resilience even in volatile times. This is a testament to its robust portfolio and the excellent management behind it. But what's performance without yield, right? The XYZ Dividend ETF doesn't disappoint on that front either. It offers an impressive dividend yield, which is much higher than the average yield of other ETFs in its category. This means that not only does it hold the potential for capital growth, but it also promises a steady stream of income. Now, that's what I call a win-win. And let's not forget the expense ratio. As savvy investors, we know that lower expenses mean more of our money stays invested. The XYZ Dividend ETF boasts a low expense ratio, making it an attractive choice for those who want to maximize their earnings. But why else should you consider this ETF? Well, it's got a diversified portfolio. This means that it's not overly reliant on any one sector or company. This reduces risk and provides a buffer against market volatility. Additionally, the XYZ Dividend ETF has a focus on high-quality dividend-paying companies. These are companies with solid financials and a history of consistent dividend payouts. This focus on quality gives the ETF a stable foundation and helps to ensure a consistent return for investors. One more thing that sets the XYZ Dividend ETF apart is its transparency. You can easily access information about its holdings, performance, and strategies. This allows you to make informed decisions and feel confident about where your money is going. So, there you have it. The XYZ Dividend ETF is a strong contender with a proven track record, high dividend yield, low expense ratio, and a diversified, quality-focused portfolio. It's transparent and managed by a team of experts who are committed to delivering results. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this ETF could be a great addition to your portfolio. It offers the potential for both growth and income, a combination that's hard to find. But remember, investing is not without risks. Always do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making an investment decision. 2 down, 1 more to go. Are you excited? And finally, our third and final pick, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This dividend ETF is a powerhouse in its own right. It's like the ace up your sleeve, the secret weapon that can give your investment portfolio the boost it needs. Let's dive it. The Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, our third selection, is known for its robust performance and attractive dividend yield. Over the past 5 years, this ETF has consistently outperformed many of its peers, demonstrating its strength and resilience in various market conditions. Its performance alone makes it a compelling choice. But that's just the beginning. One of the key features of the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is its impressive dividend yield. This ETF boasts a yield that's well above the average for its category, creating a steady stream of income for investors. This high yield is a testament to the quality of the companies within the ETF's portfolio. These companies are not only profitable but also committed to returning a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. But what's equally important when considering a dividend ETF like the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is its expense ratio. This is essentially the cost of owning the ETF. A lower expense ratio means you get to keep more of your investment returns, and that's always a good thing, right? Our third pick, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, shines in this regard with an expense ratio that's among the lowest in its class. This low cost of ownership, coupled with its robust performance and high yield, makes it an attractive choice for investors seeking to grow their wealth. So why is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF a good choice? Well, it's simple. This dividend ETF offers a powerful combination of performance, yield, and cost effectiveness. It provides exposure to a diversified portfolio of high-quality companies that are committed to paying dividends. This can provide a steady income stream, which can be particularly valuable in times of market volatility. Plus, its low expense ratio means more of your money stays in your pocket. Now, it's important to remember that as with any investment, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF comes with risks. It's crucial to do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making an investment decision. But if you're looking for a dividend ETF that offers the potential for growth, income, and cost effectiveness, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF certainly fits the bill. There you have it, 3 dividend ETFs including the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF poised for explosive growth. Let's recap what we've discussed today. We dove deep into the world of dividend ETFs, highlighting 3 top picks that promise explosive growth. Each one offers unique advantages, making them excellent choices for savvy investors. First, we explored Dividend ETF number 1. This ETF stands out due to its consistent performance and high-quality portfolio of blue-chip companies. It's a solid choice for those seeking steady income and growth potential. Next, we took a look at Dividend ETF number 2. This ETF is a perfect fit for risk-averse investors, as it focuses on companies with a long history of stable dividends. It offers a balance of income and growth, and it's a proven performer in various market conditions. Finally, we delved into Dividend ETF number 3. This ETF is for those who are willing to take on a bit more risk for higher returns. It targets high-yield sectors and companies promising a larger payout. Their benefits are clear. ETFs offer diversification, lower risk, and the potential for high returns. They are excellent vehicles for investors seeking to leverage the power of dividends for growth. Remember, investing isn't about picking the right stock or timing the market. It's about investing in solid, reliable assets and letting compound interest do its magic. It's about having a diversified portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Moreover, patience is key. Investing is a long-term game. These ETFs are not for quick profits, but for building wealth over time. By investing in these dividend ETFs, you're planting seeds today for a fruitful tomorrow. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these 3 dividend ETFs are worthy of your consideration. They offer a blend of stability, income, and growth potential, making them solid additions to any portfolio. And always remember, the world of investing is vast and ever-changing. Continual learning and staying updated is crucial. Remember, the key to successful investing is diversification and patience. Before we part ways, let's take a moment to consider what we've learned today. The potential for explosive growth in these top 3 dividend ETFs is not just a possibility, it's a reality waiting to happen. But remember, we're all in this together. Your support is what makes this channel thrive. So if you found value in this video, if you learned something new or it sparked a fresh perspective, please take a moment to subscribe. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for this channel. And don't forget to hit that like button. It lets us know that we're on the right track, bringing you the content you want to see. Sharing is caring, so spread the wealth. Share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone who might benefit from it. Your actions enable us to create more insightful content like this. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay savvy, investors.